Hello, friends. So, it was the last three episodes that gave me an opportunity to talk to you about IELTS. Through open doors, I think we should go into other subjects too. So, today I would like to throw in another window of opportunity for you, and that is technical writing. We will understand how technical writing is important to those who would like to take it up as a career, and what are the qualifications required for it, and how students of English can adapt themselves to this sort of new role play that is happening in the job industry. There are many industries that are looking in for technical writers. In fact, I can quote an example wherein my daughter, she studied her engineering, and she had also dabbled into a few publications. Through publications I had brought out, like the nuts and bolts of English and enhance your English grammar. Now, when she went for the interview, she was asked about these books, and when she replied that she had contributed certain sections in that, they told her, you take up technical writing. And to her, this technical writing would be documenting the programs or documenting the layout of PCBs or the cards that are manufactured. And it seems that there are many engineers who really do not understand the language or are not able to frame sentences properly. So this was an additional qualification that my daughter gained through this experience. So it's very easy for language teachers like you to get into this field. Now, what is technical writing? Technical writing is the practice of articulating any product or service in the form of documents where processes are defined. This is just like previously we had these manuals and software instruction manuals. Technical writing is an art. It's the science of writing by giving details about how things work through documentation. Now, this can be in any technical or engineering fields such as computer, hardware, software, engineering, industry, chemistry, aeronautics, robotics, financial, medical, consumer electronics, and the likes. So, what is a technical writer expected to do? The technical writer is expected to explain system and design. He or she is supposed to describe the tasks as well as performance goals. He or she is supposed to provide specialized training and tutoring, and that's where English language experts come in. People like you once you are an expert or experienced in the language, you can provide specialized training and tutoring. All you need to do is understand the system, explain the system, or explain the design. Let the engineers do the work, but you explain this concept to your audience. And that sort of specialized training can be done by people like you. And nowadays, technical writers are expected to create graphics too. So, infographics. You are supposed to annotate images and extract data from Excel, MS Excel. You are supposed to extract data and make a sensible information out of it by creating charts and tables. And these are things that you just need to learn. And once you learn, you've got a wonderful skill in front of you. So, what are the tools required for a technical writer? Very simple. To write articles and documents, of course, you already got the skill. Most of you would be very proficient in MS Word and word processing software. You also need to be an expert at MS Excel. At least you need to understand the data and how data can be projected in charts and pivot tables and things like that. And it would be nice if you could also create these things through Adobe. So if you have that also, you can make posters, you can make infographics, you can customize things for your client. And then you would also need to be an expert in navigation and dexterity to navigate web pages, websites, and then SEO, search engine optimization, social media sites, and how to promote this. Now, this is where your language, the English language, helps out. And you also need to understand your target audience so that your document or the technical content will be able to connect with them very quickly, and that they can proceed with the understanding and fulfillment of their requirements. Technical writing has nowadays become one of the most prominent and well known departments in almost every industry and corporation. If you're looking to work as a technical writer, you have to be very much good in that particular language, and working with technical tools and concepts like these, as I told you, the search engine optimized articles and contents. And technical writing has elevated to such a coveted skill in the professional area because of the demand which is increasing day by day. If you are interested in these rapid changes that is taking place in the field of technology, like creating videos or chatbots, then this is the field for you. A technical writer's salary would average between 2.2 lakhs and 15 lakhs. This would also depend upon moving either to the metro cities, because more opportunities are given there. But nowadays, since the online industry is also flourishing, and many companies now seek your help, in the sense that if you are proficient in these tools, they send the order to you, do the technical writing on your laptop or on your computer, and send it to them. Generally, the salary, of course, that's the most important thing, isn't it? So what's the salary? The salary ranges between 2.2 lakhs to over 15 lakhs. So if you are a wonderful technical writer, you can earn up to 15 lakhs. So the average salary would be close to 5.4 lakhs, which would be around 35,000 to 50,000. So think of a technical writer as your career, and I'm going to come with more job opportunities like this. Thank you very much. By the way, please do subscribe. Thank you.